Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your OK app. All you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on privacy here. Then it's going to take you to next step. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. You keep going down, then you come here to show decisions here and participation here to into friends here who are not friends of the decisions here, other or participants here of the group. Click on it, click here on so you click here on yes to enable it. You click on yes, then you click here on save, then it's going to save with us. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us so that when you click on yes here, that it's going to enable with us here like you see. So thank you for watching.